Good morning, class. Today we're going to be doing 8.1, and it's called Testing the Difference Between Means and Independent Samples. All right, so to begin, I'm going to sort of use the homework question on the worksheet as a reference. So it's going to be, to compare the braking distance for two types of tires, a safety engineer conducts 35 braking tests. It's 35 braking tests. All right. For each type, meaning he does 35 tests for every single one because there's two types. So the mean braking distance for type A is 42 feet. However, I'm going to change the numbers and I'm going to use, for type A, I'm going to use, let's go with 40 feet. All right. And then it says, assume the population standard deviation is 4.7. However, I'm going to change that to, let's use 5 feet. Standard deviation is 5 feet. And then the mean distance for type B is 45 feet. However, let's go with 47 feet. All right. And then at alpha equals 0.10, I'm still gonna stick with alpha equals 0.10. Alpha 0.10. All right. So can engineers support the claim in that the mean braking distance are different for the tube types? Now, for the homework question, we got that the claim is correct because they do not equal the same. However, I do not know what we're going to get for this. So for identifying the claim and state the null hypothesis, so the claim is that that the mean braking distances are different for two types of tires. So the null hypothesis is U1 equals type 2. And then the alternate hypothesis equals 1, and it does not equal. All right. So now for the rejection regions. The rejection regions. We know that alpha 0.10, it equals z-score of negative 1.645, and we also get we get z-score is greater than 1.645. Alrighty. And then for C, it's find the standardized test score. So now we just plug in, and we're gonna get 47 minus 40. 0 all over the square root of 5 squared over 35 plus 5 squared over 35. Now let me just calculate that really quick. Well, we can do that at the top. 47 minus 40, we're gonna get 7, and then all over 5 squared is 25. So then 25 over 35, it's equal 0.71 plus 0.71. So we get the square root of 1.42. And the square root of, oh my God. And then the square root of 1.42. And we're gonna get 1.19. So then it's 7 over 1.42. I'm sorry, 1.19 over 1.19, and we get about 5.88. Alrighty. And then of course, I'm gonna reject the null hypothesis because it does not land between rejection regions. So I will reject the null hypothesis. Alright. And then is the claim is correct. Because they do not equal the same. And that's it, class. We're done for today.